Hi everybody! So, I want to show off this junk journal I just made. It's, I think, the third one I've done. And I did this one out of a vintage book I found at the thrift store. I think it was an old Reader's Digest for young children. I think dated the 60s or something. And I gutted it out, and I used some of the pages for some journaling cards, and I also used some of the illustrations as well. So here's the first page. It's, I've got like a cute little shaker tag, and this design is actually my design that I made. And this page is like a vintagey time kind of looking page. I really liked it. It's kind of, this is cool. This came out of like this old like journaling thing that I found at the Ark, and it's got all these prompts in it. It's also got like the date. I think it's like a prompt a day or something like that. So I thought those would be cool to put in there. And then this is a tearaway notebook, and these are pockets that I just put some coffee dyed words in. And then a journaling card, and this cute little disc thing, and then some space to write or whatever. Let's see, on the next page, I left this blank for journaling, and then this cute little flippy thing. It's like a Thumbelina, this out like this, Thumbelina like flip out. I also made a little notebook. I think there may be, I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 pages in there, not sure. And then here's like a little envelope insert. I made this cute little book. Sorry about the band-aid. I cut myself while cleaning some scissors. Always be careful when you clean your scissors. This cute little book. It's so cute. And these are my ephemera that I made actually. That I found and scanned in from a really old. I think these are dated 1820 something. Not sure. This cool little like poem, the Ballad of King Arthur or something like that. But I actually printed multiple of these for my King Arthur book, and so I just stuck one in there. Cute little card with a vintage stamp. This is a beautiful kit that I downloaded, and I can't remember her name. I will look it up and give the description down below. It was on sale, so this is really pretty too. And a poem with like a charm. I kind of collaged this page. Lots of space to journal in. Here we have like a little daily planner pages that has like all the weeks on there. I think I gave 4. This is the middle of the first insert. And then these you can journal on, and I put like a little poem thing. Here's another flip out insert. Like this. I did not do much with this. I just kind of kept it blank so that people could put, you know, pictures on it or write on it or whatever they wanted. Here's the other side of that. Cool. This is a journal card I pulled out of a paper pad that I had for a book I was doing for my sister. This is cute. This is like a little journaling card I made with like some acetate. I don't know, it's like a little window specimen card, I guess, of a swan. Here's a little altered paper clip I made. I kind of messed it up a little bit, but that's okay. Here's a little pocket with some stuff in it. It says livelihood, and it's got some ephemera. Let's see if I can like zoom this in so you can see. Livelihood. Okay. Oh, and it's an envelope. So it's got this in it as well. And this is just a, I just put some coffee dyed paper in there so people could journal on or use as stationery. Oh, I forgot to show what was in this one. Oh, no, I did. Okay, yes, I did. Okay, moving on. Here I took these. This came out of that same pad that one of these. That same pad. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so here's like a little altered paper clip, and I know you can't see it, but it's actually shaker. It's got glitter in there. And then I made this, and I forgot to I need to put something in there. But this is like a cute little like coloring book. I thought it was such a cute idea. I had all these I had these pages left over from an adult coloring book that I did, and they're like it was kind of a find coloring book, so you had to find the fish or whatever, and so this is like the solutions in the back of the book, and I cut them up and put them in here. I thought it would make a really cute little mini coloring book. And then I have this button card that was inspired by Gail, and it flips open so that you can write on it. And I have a little pocket here with some words on it. And then this cute little notebook. This is like a mini junk journal. It's got just some pages in it. And then let's get this out of there. Okay. Yes, here is the another one of those cards that came out of that pad, and this is the other side to that that paper that I designed. And I put lace on like the edges of most of the pages. This is the middle. This is the middle of the book. I put some ribbon there because it was just kind of ugly otherwise. I did an invisible signature, like I sewed them in invisibly, so that was the first time I ever done that, and I like it. I think it came out nice. Okay, on this page we've got some journaling space, a little pocket with a cute rustic looking journaling card, and some ephemera with a K and a key and an actual key. I thought that was cute. And then the pocket says never stop looking up, with a cute little frog, and he's got his buddy here who is a lizard. See, they're buddies, they hang out together. Okay, here's another one of my pages that I designed. This time, I haven't finished it. They're not listed or anything, but I mostly designed them for this journal. Hikes throughout Colorado. This came out of an old hiking book that I had. Just a blank space for writing. Here I did a little bit of a collage, another little one of those solution things. You can color or do whatever you want. This is just like a little envelope that I cut in half and put a poem on the back of it. And this was one of the illustrations that came in this book that I made a journaling card out of. This really nice thin paper that I love. Here is a belly band, and this I think also came out of that hiking trail book, which I just think is so cool. It's got like old pictures in it. It's just a very cool book. Okay, and I don't ever use it, so I thought might as well put it to good use. Okay, we have some ledger paper, this cute little pocket. I made this a smile, and a journaling card that the lace got folded. I'm going to have to iron that or something. This is another illustration that came out of the book. Very pretty. And this is, okay, this page, this is actually a page that came out of the Holy Grail book. This book is very old. This page is very old. I made a specimen slide with some flowers. These are actual pressed flowers that I did. So that's fun. This is an idea that I had. This is like a little, it has like one of those page protector pages that I cut and sewed into this little, just this little like folder thing. And then you can like put stuff in there. I've just put this picture of this girl. She's very cool. She's the only one I have of her. I didn't take a picture of her or anything. Scan it in. She's original. This is cool. This I did print out. This came out of an old book I have. And on the back, I put a little poem of the 3 little yellow birds. They were singing for you. These were really cool, like, cards, and I put them in here because they were kind of big and I didn't have anywhere else to, like, slip them, so I put them just in as part of the book because I thought they were cool. Here's, like, a botanical page from a encyclopedia. So I did this journaling card I made and put a little owl thing and some ribbon and sewed around it. This was, and some washi tape, too. This came out of an old vintage children's book. Actually, this is the same book that this came out of. See? A very nice big journaling card. I love the big journaling cards. Doily. This one was dyed using cabbage, which, if my fingers are purple at all, that's why, because I was dyeing some paper with cabbage yesterday. This one was done with napkin. Just a little card thing in there. And on this page, this is a tearaway. I think there are 20-something pages in it, and it's also removable, so you can replace them if you like. Let's see. Here is an altered paper clip I made. Very cute, and another one of these really cool pages. This one came out of a different book, I think. This is maybe not. Maybe it did come out of the same hiking book, old hiking book. Very cool. Okay, another one of my pages that I designed, and then this page I collaged and wanted to do a little bit more industrial. These vintage stamps. These are actual vintage stamps too. I actually got a bunch of those on sale. Some ephemera, and then another one of these journaling prompts. Tell a fond memory of your grandma. Tell about a female aunt. Okay. A what? A female? Oh, a favorite aunt. I was like, an aunt is a female. Anyway, this was done by my sister, this poem. She didn't write it, of course. William Blake wrote it, but she did some printables for me of some really cute and really nice poetry, because I love putting poetry in junk journals. I put this little butterfly. I made this page, and the idea here was to maybe like glue, like you know, those photo booth photos. I don't know. Here's another page. This one was made out of scrap paper I had. I was needed to deal with the scraps a little bit. Some ephemera. Tiny little ledger. I thought that was so cute. And then this is Tim Holtz. So a lot of the ephemera actually in this is Tim Holtz. Using up my Tim Holtz ephemera. Alright. This came out of that same book that journaling card came in. And I loved this page. And I was able to save the whole page. So I made it as the middle page. So, see? And the story of the teeny tiny woman, which I just loved. And I put a little piece of lace on her page because I thought that she needed some lace, you know, around her teeny tiny bed. This was my first attempt at eco dyeing. It didn't come out very well, but it's still very pretty green. This is a triple pocket. It has a bunch of ephemera in it. I jam-packed this one with ephemera. Just jam-packed it with ephemera. And then, yeah, there's my pocket. Did I put a different color? I did use different color. I did not mean to do that. Use different color ribbon. That's so funny that I just now noticed that. That's weird. I like it though. It's cute. I like it. Put this on this page. Another cute little like poem or whatever. I love poetry in books. Oh, this was a zine I made, and this came from this idea came from Pam at the Paper Outpost, and I know that it's not an original idea, but this is where I got the idea was from her. And I used that same book with the vintage illustrations, and I kept a lot of the, because I just thought it was so cute. I'd see, open up, and my dog is black, my cat is white, and I made a space for journaling on each page. And then in each page is also a tag. So this one's a cat. I thought the cat fit well there. This one I think is flowers. Yep, because of the flowers. And then these ones are kind of random. I didn't really... This one says melody. And this one's like a butterfly. And this is that same paper that I used for a lot of the background on these pages. So super cute little zine. I love it. It's actually my favorite piece of the whole journal. It's super thick and bulky, but whatever. I don't care. It's staying in there. It stays in. Here is the that napkin page and a little journaling card that I made. And I wanted to keep the little tab at the top. It was actually a mini file folder that I had messed up trying to do an insert or something. Here's another journaling. This one was very simple. I just backed it. This was another illustration that came out of this book. And some coffee dyed blue paper. And then a lot of the back, the very last pages, I left mostly blank on purpose for the buyer to kind of do what they wanted. Here's the other side to that really cool thing. And then here is the other side to this thing, which I put folded paper on for journaling. And I put some like apples and like farmer like kind of stickers on there, and filled this with ephemera as well. This has a bunch of ephemera in it. And there we go. And I put this one, I put a mat on it for like a photo or something, and then I put like words around it, you know, some random words. And then this book page did come out of this book. This one, I think. Let me see. What is this? Made of Ocelot. No, this is that King Arthur book page. Yeah, this is that other one. Old book page. Which I did coffee dye. I managed to coffee dye it without brittling it up too much. Other side of that ledger has like numbers and a list. One of these flaps. These are common, and I forget who the original designer of that flap is, but basically it's like, you know, for a pocket, and then you can fold it up and you can like journal on it, you know. Some more ephemera, Tim Holtz. This is another one of my papers. Coffee dyed paper, the other side of that map. And then the last page, this is actually the very last page, and I put a cute little altered paper clip with a little fairy charm and a stationery set. So this is just, so you could like write a letter, it's lined, see? Stationery. And then I decorated this notebook with, or this envelope with corresponding paper. I thought that was super cool. It's kind of, I could put something there, but whatever, it's fine. Anyway, that is my junk journal. It's done. It will be listed on my Etsy shop. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it.